just a little addendum to the Proxxon drill press I bought. You remember there was that yeah, infernal screw back here as yeah, a poor replacement for a real set screw and to hold in, yeah, the shaft. And yeah, I got the screw out and the shaft didn't move too much. I mean, yeah, maybe it's stuck, I thought. So I took my brand new real set screw and tried to put it in, which was not a big problem, but for the fact that I measured it to the millimeter and it wouldn't go farther. That's completely impossible because, you know, I measured it. It should completely disappear in the case. But it doesn't. And then I fumbled around here with force, but yeah, it's wobbly, but I can't get it out. And then, I can't get that on camera possibly. Yeah, I felt inside here. And I felt something. And that was a set screw. Oops. Still not there. Give me a second. So that moves now. Yeah. It has a small dimple here for the set screw. It's very nice. And at some point, hopefully, the set screw will leave the building. So there was already a small set screw in here, and for what reasons, whatever, somebody decided to try to press. Oh, no, I lost it. Give me a second. Yeah, to try that set screw harder onto the column by putting another big screw behind it. Come on, this is stuff from fairy tales. Such things do not happen in real life. So yeah, let's use the proper set screw for the job. Yeah, and I had to order them. So even if the thread is a little bit, you know, so wiggle it a little bit so it can find its position, and yeah. That's good. Maybe another little bit. So yeah, that's it. Now it's really ready for action. Bye.